There's so many reasons people want to write a book out in the world. And what's yours? There are people who want to write a book because it's a massive business card. They want to write a book because it establishes them as an expert. There are people who want to write a book to record a part of their life or something they believe in or a story that they absolutely have to tell. And then we have the novelists. And the novelists just want to tell a story. So there's so many reasons you want to write a book. And the process of writing is remarkably similar. And it is a long, steady process. Writing a book is not a quick thing. So I'm here to work with writers to get that book going. And I really like to have a plan to write a book because it's a long investment and it's a steady progress. And there are many steps to walk down the road. One of the steps is the actual writing part. But there's steps before that. There's understanding your audience. There's being aware of the market and what are the publishing trends and who is going to be reading your book. There's an understanding of genre and product placement and what shelf your book will be placed on in the bookshops. So writing a book is a dream, it's an idea. And my job as a writing mentor and as a coach is to take that dream and really make it come to reality. So we can work in many ways and we can do a one-on-one session, or you can join one of my mentorships, or you can join me somewhere in the world on a immersion, a writing retreat. And I will walk you through really what I know to be the way to get a book written and commercially viable. And that's a very important thing because we want your book to get to a publisher. We want your book ultimately to be on a shelf, to be in the hands of readers wherever they may be.